Through this course, I've gained so many new insights about assessments and data-driven instruction. Before, I mainly thought of assessments as just tests and quizzes, but now I see how valuable daily quick checks and observations can be. I learned from Sarah's post about using exit tickets in creative ways, like having students draw pictures to show their understanding of science concepts. That's something I want to try in my own classroom. I also really connected with Emma's ideas about using morning check-ins to gauge student readiness for learning. These small but meaningful assessment moments can tell us so much about where our students are. Reading through my classmates' discussions opened my eyes to some great ideas I hadn't really considered. Michael's strategy of using student self-assessment really stood out to me. I love how his students rate their confidence level with new skills using a simple 1 to 3 scale. James shared how he uses digital tools to track reading fluency, which seems so much more efficient than my paper tracking method. Then there was Lisa's brilliant idea about having students create video explanations of math concepts. What a great way to access their deep understanding. These peer insights have really changed how I want to approach assessment and made me realize that there are so many creative ways to gather meaningful data. Moving forward, I have a clear plan for improving my assessment strategies. First, I'm going to create a better system for documenting daily observations, maybe using a digital template on my tablet. I want to involve students more in tracking their own progress, like Michael does. I also plan to use more informal assessments during lessons instead of waiting until the end to check understanding. Something else I want to try is creating more opportunities for peer assessment, where students can learn from each other while I gather valuable data about their understanding. I'm even thinking about starting a weekly reflection journal where students can write about their learning journey and I can gather insights about their growth mindset and learning challenges. The big takeaway for me is that assessment shouldn't just tell us if students get it or not. They should guide our instruction and help students see their own growth. I've learned that effective data-driven instruction is about being flexible and responsive to student needs. When we regularly collect and analyze different types of data, we can make better instructional decisions and create more meaningful learning experiences. I'm excited to implement these new strategies and create a more data-informed classroom where both my students and I can clearly see their learning journey. This course has truly transformed my understanding of how assessment and instruction work together to support student success.